In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the keyless insert and case on your Ford Focus. Let's get started. Using a flat blade screwdriver, we're going to go in between the two tabs and twist up, popping the tabs, open the remote, grab the side of the silicone and pull the computer out of the remote. Install this into the new remote. Be sure that it's oriented the correct way. These are the 4 buttons. Be sure they correspond to the 4 on the remote. Drop it down inside. Move the battery from the old to the new case. And use a flat blade screwdriver, pop it up. Be sure this battery is oriented in the correct way. Install the top case. Be sure that your tabs line up. And then push it together. It'll snap together. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.